In this video, we will be exploring the oral vocabulary words for Unit 6, Week 4. Our first vocabulary word is effort. Say it with me. Effort. When you make an effort, you try very hard to do something. Liz made an effort to finish her chores quickly so she could go outside to play. Which takes more effort, climbing a tree or sitting under a tree? Our next vocabulary word is tradition. Say it with me. Tradition. A tradition is a custom or a holiday that is passed down from the past to the present. It's a tradition in Jorge's family to have a big party on the first day of summer. Can you think of some traditions we follow on the 4th of July? Our next vocabulary word is ancient. Say it with me. Ancient. Ancient means very, very old. The ancient tree was planted by my great-grandfather. What can you think of that might be ancient? Our next vocabulary word is drama. Say it with me. Drama. If something has drama, it gives you a feeling of surprise and excitement. The story had a lot of drama. Which movie scene has more drama? A scene of a man working at a computer or a scene of a man being chased by a lion? Our last vocabulary word for this week is movement. Say it with me. Movement. The bird was startled by the movement of the flag blowing in the wind. Show me a movement that you can make with your hands. Those were our vocabulary words for Unit 6, Week 4.